Hi again, it's Marissa, your STEM librarian. I'm now going to show you how you can use the other Mendeley download. In this case, we're going to do the citation plugin for Word. So as a reminder, when you're in your Mendeley account and signed in, click on your name in the upper right corner, and then you'll notice there's a link for Download Mendeley. There are two things to download. The first is the web importer, which I showed you in a previous video. And then there's the web or citation, the Word or citation plugin that you download to use with Word. So once you've done that and you've run the software, you'll notice that when you click on references, your Mendeley icons will be here when you're signed in and running the Mendeley desktop. Now, first of all, we didn't get to cover this, but when you all click in styles, you will not see Frontiers in Microbiology. I've already added it. So how do you add it? You'll click on More Styles. It will take a minute to pull up, and it will default to installed. So what you first have to do is click Get More Styles. You'll type in the name that you're looking for. In this case, I've already typed in Frontiers in Microbiology, and I've added it. Once you've installed, then it will live here, and then you can choose any of your installed styles for your style guide in Word. Okay, that's why I see Frontiers in Microbiology. So you'll need to do that step. Now, I've started writing a paper. I have some text. I've added an in-text citation. I'm going to show you all how I've done that. Now I've written this sentence, and I'd like to add another citation. So I'm going to click on Insert Citation, and because I'm signed into Mendeley, it knows to pull this up. I can type in any letter, whether it's the author, title, start typing in anything that comes to mind, and I'm accessing my library. I can also put in more than one citation. I'm going to hit OK, and it will take a minute to populate on the Word document. Now it lives here. So what I need to do is make sure at the end to put in my references list. I have the in-text citations, but I need the full bibliographic info cited in Frontier style. So now I'll click on Insert Bibliography, and it will now import or insert the references to the in-text citations that I've created here. Okay, so that's how you can use the Mendeley desktop running in your Microsoft Word in order to do what we call dynamic writing, where you type in your text, manage your in-text citations as you go, and then automatically generate a bibliography at the end. And just a reminder to make sure to always review these references and ensure that they're accurate before you turn in your assignment. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.